Please reply me. Which is hotter?
Yes, sir. It's not going. Please.
It's not going. You can tell me openly. Kunal, tell me. Nobody is hotter or
Yes,
any?
sir. Sir, minus 40 degrees, sir.
Minus 40 degrees hotter. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, can I Haricharan?
Sir, minus 30 is greater,
Sir,
sir.
minus 30, sir. My mistake
Okay.
is 40. I didn't know that minus, sir. It's
You have to
every
just
time
find
here 0 is greater, sir. Sir, this
minus
is in
30 minus 30. Which is greater? So minus 30 is greater. So this will be,
30. Sir,
this will
because
be hotter.
which number is near to 0, that is negative number which is near to 0, that is greater, sir. So 30 is hotter.
Chaliye, one more question I'm asking. One
Okay,
more
sir.
object is there. This is A. This is minus 50 degrees Celsius. Is it hotter or colder?
Sir, it is colder,
Reply
sir.
me.
Colder. Colder, sir.
Also colder.
Sir, colder.
Reply me privately.
Oh, you should.
Okay, so you all are replying colder, colder, colder. Again, I told hotter or colder, it's a relative term. Now you have told, sir, it is colder. I'm giving now another thing. B, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Now you tell me, is it colder or hotter? Two body is required. From there, you have to compare. So here, if the question is there, your answer should be can't say. Why you can't say? Because you have to compare, no? You forgot actually. Again, I will take example. Ritvik case. Ritvik got 94 by 100. Can I say Ritvik is topper?
No, sir.
We can't say until there is another number should be there. If 93 by 100 from here, yes, he is topper. But what if 95 one student got? We can't say.
No, sir.
So say
Stopper.
minus 50
Sir,
degree.
comparison should be there between minus 60, sir.
Yeah. So there should be comparison. Now, next note you have to remember. SI unit of temperature is what?
Tutorial.
Degree? Degree Kelvin. Clear now? SI unit of temperature is degree Kelvin.
Degree.
Okay. Can anyone say, have you ever felt like you got fever and went to the hospital? Anytime?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
went.
sir. Yes, sir.
During fever, what would be body temperature?
Sir,
Above 100, sir.
Privately,
minus 130 like that.
privately. During fever, how much is the body temperature? Approximately. But nobody is writing unit. Please understand, during my teaching, you have to respect me. Again, you are going to the uncle shop and saying, give me potato. Uncle will scratch his head, no? He has to give one potato or 1 kg. With unit. Please reply me with unit. Without unit, I will not give any marks. Hari Charan, very good. You have replied with unit. Kunal, no unit, Babu. Degree units is what? Arey, Kunal, you are smart actually. Degree units. What is degree units? Ritvik. Okay. Please understand, somebody had replied 101 degrees Celsius. Oh my God, 101 degrees Celsius. Our body temperature above 98.6. Our normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. 101 degrees Celsius means we will start boiling. We will start boiling. So with unit we have to. So temperature, how many units we are aware? Units of temperature. How many units we have learnt? Degree Celsius, degree Kelvin, and degree Fahrenheit. Degree Kelvin is the SI unit, right? We will try to learn the conversion of degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Conversion of degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. I will tell one technique and after that we will ask the question. If you want to convert degree Celsius into degree Kelvin, from degree Celsius into degree Kelvin, we have to add 273.
I have doubt. Calvin or Kelvin?
Kelvin. So for example, if I say convert, question I'm telling, convert 10 degree Celsius into degree Kelvin. So our formula should be, what we have to add? 273 in that. 273 plus 10 equals to 283. But since you people have high energy, no need to add like this, 273 plus 10. Same way if I ask, convert 20 degree Celsius into degree Kelvin. So what you should reply, Babu?
Sir, 293.
Okay.
So 293
Anyone
Celsius.
is having doubt, please let me know. If you have no doubt, we will ask a question directly. Haricharan, Ritvik, Shiva, Kunal, do you have any doubt, Babu?
No, sir.
Okay.
sir.
No, sir.
So question I'm asking, convert, please reply privately, nobody should speak. Be fast. I will be just naming top two. Since 4 members are there, in top two only I'll tell. Convert 100 degrees Celsius into degree Kelvin. Come on, fastest answer by Ritvik, and he is right. Second fastest. Hey, still nobody replied. Siva, second fastest, but unfortunately wrong, Siva. Oh ho ho, time up, not more than 30 seconds. See what to do, 100 degrees Celsius into degree Kelvin. What is the formula we have told?
Sir, we have 5 minutes, sir.
273 plus, no, each question not more than 30 seconds I'll give. 273 plus 100. 273 plus 100 is 373. Now convert. Are you ready? Understood, Haricharan, Siva, Kunal? Simply we have to add 100. Array, adding 100 how much time? Convert 200 degrees Celsius into degree Kelvin. Please convert. Fast. Very good. And fastest answer by Siva. Congratulations. Ritvik second, Haricharan third. And who has not replied? Kunal? Babu, you have not replied? You are not understanding?
Yes, sir.
You didn't understand, Babu?
Yes, sir.
Acha, no problem. If you have not understood, we will be learning now again. Whatever degree Celsius is there, we have to add 273. Tell me what I should write.
273 plus 200.
Tell me how much it will become.
So it will become 273 plus 200 means it will become 473.
Very good. Now you understood?
Okay, sir, understood.
Convert 300 degrees Celsius into degree Kelvin. Fast. Somebody had replied also. Oh, Ritvik. Very good. Ritvik is alert. Now he is predicting as well. What sir is asking question. And after that, second fastest answer by Siva, Haricharan. Kunal, still you have not replied, Babu.
Equal to.
Very good. No need to type that much. Directly answer 573. That we have to do in our brain.
Okay, sir.
Last three question I'm asking. Convert 500 degrees Celsius into degree Kelvin. Fast. Very good. Ritvik, Siva, and Haricharan.
Okay, understood.
Hare, Kunal, you have not replied yet. Very good. You are right. That will become 500 plus 273. How much?
23.
773. SI unit of temperature. SI unit of temperature. Quickly. SI unit of temperature. SI unit of temperature fast. Very good, Ritvik. You are right. Haricharan, no. You have to say between 3 units only. 3 units, degree Celsius, degree Kelvin, degree Fahrenheit. Ritvik, you are right. You have replied, you are right. Its a unit is degree Kelvin. Memory wise, Ritvik, you have very good memory. I have tested you as well. Very good. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will summarize what we have learned today. Heat and temperature, complete idea you have now. What is SI unit? You have idea. What is the SI unit? Which is hotter, which is colder? Lot many things we have to study slowly. Units of temperature, some question answer. Anyone is having doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, now 1 minute is there. We will end the session. How was the class? Did you like?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It was wonderful.
Kunal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was wonderful.
Haricharan?
It's wonderful, sir.
Siva?
Yes, sir. It's wonderful.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.